Studios. LTASC. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going. Some sounds are short, which is Janesco's pooping sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Roxana Lovely's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects are really long, like Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
Oh, hi. Untold Loneliness Oswald's my name. I'm going to test the 3-minute farting sound effect from Moonlight. It was the longest sound effect in history and was heard in a video called Beach Day, Gotcha Fart, PLS Don't Watch If You Don't Like It. The music will be removed at the beginning and end. And besides, my stomach is hurting for a while now, and for the last time, I need to poop. I feel so much better. The sound effect starts at 0:34 and ends at 3:41, making it 187 seconds in total, also known as 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Oh, and the music parts at the beginning and end are cut out because they are not supposed to be playing.